Hello everyone, welcome to Solar Solars. We got two winners for the last Mother's Day tote bag giveaway. Please check see if you are the lucky one. Last video we make a single jeans pocket purse. Today I gonna make a double jeans pocket purse. First we connect the two pockets together, make a one piece. Also connecting the back piece. We'll cut the inside layer the exact same size as the front. Got a zipper 1 inch shorter on both sides. We got two hooks and a shoulder strap. Time for the sewing machine. Before connecting the zipper, first pin the two hooks on the back side of the purse. I'm marking 2 inches from the edge of the purse and do that on the both sides of the purse. Measuring 1 inch on both sides of the zipper. I will connect in the back piece to the zipper. I do the exact same thing. Connecting the inside layer to the zipper as well. It's time to enclose the purse together. We'll leave 4 inches on the bottom insole and sew all the way around the entire purse. Remember to leave the zipper open before enclose the whole purse. Remember to leave the opening? Sew over the 4 corners. Connecting the inside layer corner to the outside layer corner. We do that on both sides. Now we can turn the purse right side out through that opening. Here we go. Our purse is ready. All we have to do is enclose that inside opening. After install the shoulder strap, our purse is complete. Here is our super cute purse. Please check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.